Today I want to work on a journal page, and I will be using this napkin, which has a great design. It goes all in one direction, which makes it way easier to use. I am working on one of my chipboard journal pages, which I gessoed ahead of time. Now, after I glue the napkin down with my Mod Podge mat, I use a sanding block to get rid of the edges which overlap the page. This is a very easy way to do it, and it comes out nice and straight and tidy. Next, I will be adding just a little bit of white acrylic paint to give the napkin a bit more of a painterly look, and then my background will be laid aside as I want to work on a face. I want to draw and paint a face. Now, I am not an expert at faces. I did a bit more of it maybe a couple of years ago, but I haven't practiced much. And when you don't practice, you don't get any better. So I am not considering this at all a tutorial on how to draw or paint faces. It is more something you can watch me do, and maybe the whole composition gives you some ideas. So first I start, of course, with the pencil, and I speed this up quite a bit because I do a lot of erasing, but also it's hard for you to see the pencil. Now, I'm not going for realism here, so I will outline everything with my Sharpie, and that you will be able to see much better. Now, from here on, I am not doing anything complicated. I use very simple mediums, and all those will be in the captions like always. I let you enjoy the process, I let you enjoy some music, and I will talk to you towards the end. My camera was full, so while I emptied it, I outlined the face with my thick Sharpie, and that will make it easier for me to cut it out later on.
So let's take a look at the completed page. The background is of course rather simple but has just the right amount of texture because of the tissue. And here is the painting, which did not come out perfectly. There's too much space between the nose and the mouth. The chin is a little too short and so on. But I'm okay with it. She is a little odd, but aren't we all? So rather than picking apart my mistakes, I will just enjoy her uniqueness. So here it is. I think that's all I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I get to see you really soon again. Bye bye for now.